rally bajar-jar kebala penbet da Catholic Association of Shillong kalalong menta ka santarik unailar araja arpaulai na kabenta ban Khot Biang ya ka Jingsuk hapo ke jala Manipur. Kani ka rally ka sedang na badan Iewrynghep lai mkra hajan fire brigade bat en penkut hapo Don Bosco Stadium lai mkra Shillong. Unong yalam kebalang Catholic uba J.A. Lingdo ulaong baka jingtmu bat kamat jong kani ka rally kalong banduai na kabenta kilanot kebala mi na kajingakan at Manipur bat banwan ra Biang ya ka Jingsuk. Ulaong bahagani ka rally om tang ki badai na kebalang Kristan Henry kiwe ki bomde ki Kristan ru kila ban yashim bentalang.
Peace in Manipur, Reverend Executive Secretary, Presbyterian Church of India, PCI, Kajingduai, Kinomyalam Sang WC Hongwir, members of the Khasi Jaintia Presbyterian KJP Synod Setni. Kajingduai Nat Kabenta Kajingtemu, Jingsuk Harasha, but Ukraine, by Bishop Purely Lingdo, Church of North India, CNI.
We have been able to organize a peace rally, and this is specific purposely for the people who are in Manipur because of the incident that has happened. So we would like to join forces with them, so that through this rally, with the blessing of the Almighty, through the state missionary, central missionary, so that peace will come back to the people of Manipur. That's the point. That is the main agenda of today's rally. So everybody were invited to come and attend this rally. So not only the Christians, even non-Christians also will be there. Okay, and many of the heads of the church and even non-Christians also, the leaders, will be attending.
Any community or religion, if there are participants who have come with the placard mentioning about condemnation of any particular community or religion, please take out that placard, do not carry. Because what we want as a Catholic Christian that we have organized this peace rally is to ensure that we don't speak against anyone, but what our interest is to ensure that peace and harmony should come back. That's what we want. So, Chikitia and Shillong Archdiocese, Hakabalakan Toplang, Nadu Kabalang Catholic Division ka Shillong Archdiocese, Nadu Nongstein Diocese, Jawa Diocese, I wonder kilay don lang ni what yaki non-Christians ro kilay join lang bat ni. Tigi yakni yay Archbishop Most Reverend Victor Lingdo, Kapesipon Archbishop ye tungi, Bishop jang ka Nongstein Diocese, pada Wilba, bat kunjuro yaki para pada sesta baro kibla iwan lang ni. Ngaro from the penpau yaki sungu yaki pastor, ki padre, ki bawan na ki balan Kristen bafefe ki blaidon lang ni kubli sibun ya fu baro bat kene ka join rally ke bangila menta sem de jong sidang kematian ini no pina khot belum lang baro kadai nak menta kajin kumu gobha ya kabala accepted baro daki pat nong song snong te ngakwar benai kublai kerpang ani kapo ya kinomik mat chungi jibla ya don menta lang bangi ani ni ki amali ke minister MDC jibla wan lang ani bani sementa ngai